fuck it up. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my heart, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stunt. Oh, oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm on hype beat.
This shit high, boy. You better not talk or I'm taking you out. Hey boy, she get it up. Your bitch keep talking to me, she said she can't get enough. I pulled up in a candy paint, I drop top, can't top that. Brand new coupe, nobody know you can't top that. Hey boy, she get it up. Your bitch keep talking to me, she said she can't get enough. I pulled up in a candy paint, I drop top, can't top that. Brand new coupe, nobody know you can't top that. You just walked out on your skateboard looking like a dumb fuck. Mama told me get a bag and I said run it up with the nutty and a jack, but I need a bench truck. I need real cheese, big ass peso. Don't fuck with me or this fucking bankroll. Got a 4.0 GPA on the road. Beating up and down the freeway, didn't pay a single toll. If you fuck with my money moves, I'll make it less relevant. I'll make all of these niggas mad. They might scream and cry and vent. I might stack up 100 racks, buy me an elephant. I might send you another fact. Could you tell me if it's sent? I've been sliding out these and I did the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big pants, big sticks, big racks.
I'm feeling good again, but I probably shouldn't be. This is what happened. I didn't go fucking.
Ayo, Babs, this shit crazy.
Yeah, I'm off in it, sipping on but we be popping it. I'm moving safely, cautiously. You want show way that you talk to me. My new hoe is a model. She wanna fly out to Cabo. I said just wait till I drop my album.
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'ma blow through. I need some space, need O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Won't stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posted. My red ring gon' shine like a glow stick. I'm like, can you swallow this whole shit? They riding my wave like an ocean. Wait, I can't tell the time on my new Audemars. I do this shit that gon' set me apart. Yeah, girl, I'm a savage. Yeah. So I got a bad bitch, stay at the top. Yeah. We came from the bottom. I got a script from the dark, yeah. Got Percocet problems. My haters want me to flop, nah. Say fuck 'em, we ballin'. I don't say shit, but I miss you a lot, yeah. Say fuck it, I'm calling. You better pick up the phone up.